Karnataka is now ruled by Congress party. Congress party leaders and many opposition leaders have stood with Palestine and have given statements in solidarity with Palestine. But today we are seeing the DK Shiv Kumar, we are seeing Agriculture Minister, we are seeing Dinesh Gundu Rao. They are continuously meeting with the Consul General of Israel to South India, making trade agreements and making tie-ups. They allowed for India-Israel Business Summit to happen in our Bangalore. And Karnataka government is violating not only the Indian constitution but the very own party policy. Congress party leaders in Delhi are saying something else and in Bangalore they are saying something else. So we are asking the Karnataka government to wake up and see that this is more than 2 lakh people have died. They are targeting only civilians. We are asking the Karnataka government to stand with their own party policy. Congress party policy is to be in solidarity with Palestine. That's what I demand. See, I do not stand for appeasement politics or any of that description. Congress party is going where the money goes. This is behind the market. This is wherever they can sell our land, our fuel, our products, our resources. They are going behind money. That's how Adani has sold India to Israel. That's how Modi is selling India. That's what Congress is doing. कांग्रेस और बीजेपी में उतना फर्क नहीं है. एक फर्क है कि हिंदुत्व और Zionism are a deadly alliance and they are in it together. Hindutva has a genocidal perspective. Hindutva has a violent perspective filled with hate. Israel is also using the same language of Hindutva. So BJP and Congress में उतना फर्क नहीं होगा क्योंकि पैसा जहाँ है वहाँ भाग रहे हैं.